it's my turn. Hit me from the back after I bust over his sideburns. I be making hits, but you should know I'm not a fighter. I'm a biggest blessing, he don't even gotta sneeze. Pull up in that, it don't even got no key. Out here, I don't let get a seed. Go ask that why she don't like me, won't even have a reason. I be rapping bad, I told him I'm just rhyming, baby. Soon as he click on my IG, get the masturbate. Soon as he click on my IG, get the masturbate. He had the right game, but he just picked the wrong one.
I had to show him I'm that, but I'm my daddy's son. I'm the one.